Members of the Cameroon Community Media Network Northwest West Chapter converge at Church Center Mankon Bamenda on Wednesday, March 11, 2020 for an evaluation meeting. For the past 2 years now, members of the Cameroon Community Media Network (Ccmn) have undergone several training on the peace journalism and conflict transformation.
This network meeting in particular was not just like any other meeting that we had. This one was just like stock taking to see how far we covered and how far we are still to go. And so we had to evaluate our strides and equally our challenges, and to see where we can strengthen our bond as a network, as members of the Ccmn, to see how we can fine-tune our strategies and also come up with new ideas that can actually strengthen our peace journalism reporting.
3 outstanding productions were awarded at the end of the meeting. The jury carefully selected the production Famagriza Conflict by Stephen Ojang for Best Radio Production, Chômage et Violence by Donat Sufo for Best Print Article, and The Plight of Anglophone Refugees in Nigeria by Arnaud Kwamo as the Best TV Production.
And every award has its specifics, but I want to believe that there's one thing that guides all awards: hard work. When you work hard, you are always a group of persons who feel that they should come together to see that they can appreciate hard work. And I feel happy that those that were being appreciated was something to do with peace, communicating peace as a journalist. So I am quite impressed and thanking God to be part of the exercise.
Some media organs were also recognized for partnering with the Peace Journalism and Conflict Transformation Project.